In this video, we're going to take a deeper look at Saturn in astrology and human design and how this energy reflects growth through challenge, discipline, and life lessons. Saturn represents where a person may feel pressure, discomfort, or responsibility. It reflects the areas of life where growth happens through experience and effort. This is the energy of learning over time. It shows where people are asked to develop strength, patience, and awareness. Saturn can feel demanding. It brings situations that require focus, commitment, and willingness to grow. The placement of Saturn highlights where a person is driven to succeed. It reflects the area of life where effort and persistence can lead to long-term results. This energy is often connected to important life cycles. The first Saturn return around age 28 can bring a significant period of learning and direction. Saturn is often described as a teacher. It reflects lessons that unfold over time and shapes a person's path. In human design, the gates connected to Saturn reflect where these lessons are experienced. These themes may feel challenging at first, but become sources of strength with time. Saturn also shows where a person may feel vulnerable. It highlights areas where growth requires patience and deep understanding. This energy encourages alignment. It reflects whether a person is moving in a direction that supports their development. When people are aligned with their path, Saturn can feel steady and supportive. When they are not, it can feel restrictive and difficult. Saturn is closely connected to growth and reward. The more its lessons are understood, the more stability and opportunity can follow. This energy protects what is being built. It supports long-term development and meaningful progress. Over time, Saturn can shift from pressure into strength. It becomes a source of structure, wisdom, and stability. The more people understand their Saturn, the more they can recognize where they are growing and how their experiences are shaping their path.